and thank you for being tuned in to Times Now. Prime Minister Modi, after a roadshow and launching major development projects, is going to address the BJP supporters, and this is a very big moment. Currently, the Prime Minister is in Thiruvananthapuram after the historic victory and the breakthrough of the BJP in the state, winning in the civic polls in Thiruvananthapuram, breaking the 45-year rule of the left. And now on stage with the Prime Minister, the Mayor as well as the Deputy Mayor as well, and the Prime Minister is expected to address the supporters shortly. Now, this has set the stage for the BJP ahead of the polls. Now, remember, the Prime Minister's visit in Kerala today, as well as Tamil Nadu being his next stop, marks the first official kickstarting of the campaigns for the BJP. My colleague Arpita is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Arpita, the Prime Minister launching the BJP's campaign now after the development projects being launched just a little while ago. In just a short moment from now, in few moments from now, we're expecting the Prime Minister to address the crowd. Take us through what's expected and why this is a big moment, the Prime Minister in Thiruvananthapuram after BJP's historic victory.
Well, Pratibha, just some time back, PM has flagged off 4 new trains in Kerala. In fact, while addressing, he said that central government has always been working for the development of the country and for the poor people in the country. Now, in some time, he will be addressing public there in Thiruvananthapuram. Now, this is a very important moment because this comes, PM's visit comes just few months ahead of the assembly election. And also, this is the first visit after BJP won Thiruvananthapuram Corporation election after 45 years. So that is a very significant because PM
we have the BJP Kerala president as well there on stage currently. The Mayor of Thiruvananthapuram also addressing the crowd. In just a short while, the Prime Minister will also be addressing this crowd, and we'll come back with that. Arpita, thank you for joining us. Quick break. We'll be right back.